Hello, in front of me I have Infinix Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button. Then swipe right on the power off slider and release it to turn off your phone. After the device turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when the Infinix logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. Now we need to press and hold the power button, then press volume up button to continue. So press and hold power and press volume up. And we enter the recovery mode. To move through this menu, use the volume down and volume up buttons. Scroll down, select the option called Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press the power button to confirm. Here scroll down and select Factory Data Reset and press the power button to confirm. After the process is complete, make sure that the Reboot System Now is selected and press the power button to continue. And at this point the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.